In his address to the nation this morning, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that India will extend the lockdown till May the 3rd with even sterner measures to ensure that the spread of coronavirus is checked. He also indicated that some economic activities for daily wage labourers may be resumed from April the 20th, depending on the trajectory of the outbreak. These activities will only be permitted in places with no COVID-19 cases, but social distancing conditions will still apply. Prime Minister Modi ended his address with 7 requests to the people of India. He asked for people to care for the elderly, especially those with chronic ailments. He urged people to follow lockdown rules and social distancing measures. Homemade masks must be used by everyone, he insisted. He urged people to boost their immunity by following Ayush Ministry guidelines. Modi also appealed to people to help the needy and not fire anyone from businesses or employment. And finally, he asked all to respect healthcare workers who are battling for every single Indian life. Before the Prime Minister's address, Sonia Gandhi wrote to him, urging him to ensure that no one goes hungry through the lockdown. The Congress President saluted the patriotism of healthcare providers and sanitation workers for doing their jobs without basic safety gear. She also saluted police personnel and Jawans for ensuring lockdown is followed. She wrote to the Prime Minister yesterday asking him to ensure that no one faces hunger due to the lockdown. A day before the Prime Minister's address, senior Congress leader Rahul Gandhi took to Twitter to say that the one-size-fits-all lockdown needed a smart upgrade. He said mass testing in virus hotspots and easing of business activities in other areas was the way to go. States are working on a roadmap to restart industrial units, agriculture and fisheries. Prime Minister Modi said that in districts with 0 cases, economic activity may resume after a review on April 20th. Odisha and Maharashtra, while already extending their lockdowns, have also begun identifying sectors where activities can resume with restrictions. France has extended its nationwide lockdown for another month in a bid to halt the coronavirus pandemic. It has also cancelled all public events till mid-July. While countries like the United States, Spain and Austria are planning to ease restrictions, France did not follow suit and chose to extend the lockdown till May the 11th.